Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to send a new text message on the Pinterest app for PC with the latest update. If you've been wondering how to start a fresh conversation or reach out to someone directly, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, simple, and perfect for staying connected on Pinterest beyond just pins and boards. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features seamlessly. Once you're inside, look over to the left side menu where various options are displayed. You'll see an icon labeled Messages. This is your gateway to conversations and messaging on Pinterest. Click on it to open your message inbox. Next, to initiate a new message, find and click the New Message button. It's usually a clear call to action, making it easy to spot. After clicking, you'll need to search for the person you want to message. You can type their name in the search bar that appears. Pinterest will show you matching profiles, so select the right one carefully. After choosing the person, click on their name or profile to open the chat setup. You'll then need to hit Next to confirm starting a new conversation. This will bring up the chat window where you can begin typing your message. Now, it's time to type out what you want to say. Whether it's sharing a pin, asking a question, or just saying hello, the message box is ready for your text. Once you've finished composing your message, look for the Send button and click it. That's it. Your new message will be sent directly to the person on Pinterest, and your chat will appear in the Messages section for easy access later. With this updated process, Pinterest makes connecting swift and convenient, letting you interact with others beyond the typical feed. So go ahead and try sending your own message today. It's a great way to build connections, collaborate on ideas, or simply chat about things you love on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.